Hello everybody.
Hi. Hey.
Kim, Dirk. Today we are flying low, eh?
Very low.
Very low. We're
ground
flying
level, under the radar.
Under the radar, ground level.
Yeah.
We are going to a sim event
To the north, yeah.
to the north of Netherlands. So we welcome you all, and I hope you enjoy the ride with us. So see you all in the Netherlands, Lelystad.
Yes.
Hello everybody. Hello. We are arrived in the Netherlands, Lelystad, at FSWeekend. It's a nice flight sim event. So hope you enjoy it, and you will see a lot of home-built cockpits and flight simulators. So enjoy. Yes, my buddy Kim, he wants to know how much he weighs on, let's say, the moon.
The moon.
14.7 kg. Look, at the moon.
Now let's see.
Now let's see.
On Jupiter.
Jupiter. Jupiter.
I'm feeling heavy.
Ooh, 55,
221.5.
I think he needs some weight loss. For the rest, we are having a very nice time. Dirk will also try it, but he will not be pleased. So if you can see, we are still at the aviodrome in the Netherlands. We saw a lot of the exhibitions already, and now we are exploring the top side of the museum. So stay tuned.
Yes.
And I hope you like the rest of the tour. fun fact.
Fun fact. Yes.
We have a question for Dirk.
I know. It was my.
As you can see on this airplane, the two wheels, back wheels, are placed
What type?
behind each other instead of next to each other. Now Dirk will explain you
Yes.
why this is.
Well, usually it's very simple. This is a Saab
A
Viggen.
Saab Viggen, yes.
And the country of origin is
Norwegian,
No,
Sweden.
Sweden.
Sweden, yes.
And there is something they have a lot in Sweden, and that is
Snow.
snow and ice.
Snow and
So
ice,
what
yes.
the very clever Swedish engineers do, instead of putting the wheels next to each other, they put them in front of each other. So it means when you have a very icy, snowy runway,
Yes.
the wheel behind is running in the track of the wheel in front.
Yes.
So drag is less, accelerate more,
Yeah.
and there you go.
There we go. So the fact of today is explained. You put the wheels behind or in front of each other
Yeah.
to reduce the drag in snow and icy conditions.
Exactly.
That's also
Yes.
why they on a bike the wheels are behind each other.
Yes, and not
Yes.
parallel to each other.
And that was Kim's explanation of
He's a
why the
real-
wheels are.
As you can see, he's a real engineer.
Yeah, a real
I am.
engineer. So that was our professor and that's our engineer. I hope you like the fun fact. Yes, yes.
Yeah.
The day has almost finished. It's almost gone, yes. We had a very nice day here at the Aviodrome in the Netherlands, Lelystad. Oh, Dirk is stealing my new yoke system, honeycomb yoke system, which I will do an unboxing video on YouTube.
A box of flyers.
A box of flyers. But what's inside is pretty much stunning.
Yeah.
So okay, nice day today. We had a visit at the museum. We saw a lot of flight simmers, and yeah, now we are going to Harderwijk to the hotel, and yeah, we are going to have a nice evening over there.
Yeah.
Bye. Yeah, as you can see, we're at the hotel room, Marktzicht, here in Harderwijk. It was a long day, so I think it's time to take a rest, have a good night of sleep, and tomorrow at 9 a.m. we are expected to be on the breakfast, and from there on we will see what the day will bring. Probably we will go to Schiphol airport to spot some planes, but that's for tomorrow. For now, I say good evening. Hello everybody. Next stop, we are at the airport of Amsterdam at the spotting place. So you will see there is one coming in. Alitalia. Nice place to spot planes. So yeah, I hope you will enjoy the footage. I will make some videos and pictures from incoming aircraft. So yep, enjoy.